Hello guys, good morning PDoc and good afternoon onshore team. We are the team Bitter Lake Than Never. I, Ariel, and my co-members are Yuli, Lim, and our advisor Oliver Remo. Our chosen problem or topic is about release automation via ServiceNow workflow. So why did we choose this topic? Because our team have experience on resolving this matter and also we include the continuous deployment methodology. So here we discuss the pain points of creating manual RFC in ServiceNow. Bullet number 1, manual email sending of QA summary results. So in our experience, most of the journey team need to provide email to all the members of the squad and signifies that it is good to deploy in production environment. Bullet number 2, manual creation of standard RFC that composes of 37 fields to fill in. So for this aspect, for the person who creates the ticket will need to provide all the necessary information to fill up and submit the request RFC. For you not knowing, creating the ticket will take too much of your executive time. Next one is manual closing of RFC in ServiceNow by release team. So by experience, the release team is asking via email the status of the activity. So with this solution, the closing of RFC ticket is part of the process. Next slide is goals of the solution. First one is to demonstrate release automation with continuous deployment approach. So with CD, we can eradicate human error and apply as keen as possible approach. Next one is to apply automated rollback process in CD pre-work. So by default, this is already normal. Next one is to implement automated closing of RFC ticket. So as we have said earlier, the solution is part of the process for closing the RFC ticket. Next slide. Why use this method or implement it? So by implementing this solution, we apply non-human intervention of deployment or CD. It is also a best practice approach for DevOps culture when it comes to standard deployment strategy. And the very best, it is 0% human error.
Hi everyone. From this diagram, assuming deployment to QA environment is already done, and team will manually trigger the QA smoke test Jenkins job. If the status of the QA smoke test is successful, a triggered parameter version value will pass on to the downstream job, which is to create RFC ticket to ServiceNow. Once ticket has been created, a get status method will be performed to validate the RFC. If approved, then a deployed Jenkins job will be created based from the RFC ticket information as CHG and then the number. This CHG number Jenkins job will be executed based at start time of the RFC ticket. Once completed and successful, it will proceed in performing prod smoke testing. If prod smoke testing result is successful, an email notification with successful information will be sent. Else, a revert back process will be executed and an email notifying the failed status of the RFC activity will be sent. From the pipeline job, once closed notification job is triggered, an email will be sent to the team member and also on the next pipeline stage will perform a curl command to be executed to close the RFC. And for the next pipeline stage, will perform cleanup by disabling any related Jenkins job for this task.